How to activate Wise Debit Card. So first of all, the first thing is you have to open up your Wise application, and once you are in, you just have to tap on card section on the bottom, and as you can see there are two options. The first one is get a digital card, and the second one is order your card. So if you want a debit card, you just have to tap on order your card, and now you just have to again read all of these requirements and the perks that you will get after getting this card. So you just have to tap on order your card, and after that tap on continue on the bottom. Now select your country, your address and your city and your postcode, and you just have to continue. After that you have to enter your 6-digit code that will be on the sticker on the card, and you just have to choose your PIN. Now if I go back, as you can see, enter your delivery address, that was the first process, and set up your PIN and verify your identity, and at the end you will get your card in few days. So hope this helped. This is how you can activate Wise Debit Card.